It's raining like crazy out here. I hope you guys can see. It's raining really, really hard. Oh, it's raining hard. My phone's almost knocked over. Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Josephine's Vlog Abroad. We're gonna feed the Minnows now, and it's actually hurricaning like crazy outside. I'll show you. Well, you can't really see, but you're about to see. I made some nastily delicious food for the Minnows. Gross, but the Minnows will love it. It's rice, vegetables, and salt, and some spices. Pretty disgusting, but Minnows love this stuff. And I put olive oil in it too.
This is for the grown-up Minnows, and then baby Minnows I'm putting inside this box.
Oh, I'm getting rice everywhere. It's alright. I got a vacuum. I'll clean it up with a vacuum. Should be good. Probably too much, but oh well. Now, before we go outside, I'm going to put you inside of a plastic bag. Because it's raining like crazy. Put you in a plastic bag.
There we go.
Hopefully you guys can still hear me. Sorry about the video quality, but I don't want to get my phone wet. I'm going to get a new phone pretty soon. Galaxy S21 hopefully. And that one's actually waterproof, so. Sorry about that, guys. My storage ran out on my phone, so I freed up some storage. Alright, we're going to take the Minnows food, take it out. Got the drill, put the plastic around the drill so it doesn't get wet and break. And got the stand. You guys are going to go on the stand. Hopefully you could hear me. We're having a really big weather hurricane over here in Florida. It's like a tornado, kind of like Typhoon. And it's pretty big. So I put the phone in some plastic, but hopefully you can still hear me. The power keeps going out too. Might see the power go out. It'd be pretty cool, but alright, let's go. About to go into the storm. Oh yeah. It's pretty crazy, huh? Ooh. It's raining like crazy out here. The first Minnows I'll feed is these Minnows. So we'll go here. Alright guys. crazy. It's raining really, really hard. Oh, it's raining hard. My phone's almost knocked over. Alright guys, we fed the first Minnows. Hi Minnows! Hey, say hi! Say hi baby! They're eating up their rice. Let's feed the other Minnows. Look, it's storming like crazy. Alright, let's go to the other Minnows. Oh, look at the pelican. Alright guys. You know the food's coming. I don't know if you guys can see. Alright guys, it's storming like crazy. I'll show you the Minnows. They're eating it all up. They love it. Hopefully you can see me alright. Plastic's kind of covering it. Oh, they're eating like crazy. Oh. Alright, I'm shutting the cage now. Remember, like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Love you, Josephine.